Hi guys, actually this live has been conducted in actually not this time because I planned it for 1 o'clock, but it's time around 5 o'clock because of I have a lot of problem in my internal exam, so that's a main problem. I'm not able to conduct the online session. Okay, so in this video we just see about I'm just starting first day of my Gpat preparation. Okay, uh, I don't have syllabus of Gpat now, so I just now today I am planning for preparing my tomorrow internal exams. Okay, that will also include my Gpat preparations. Okay, first of all I need to download my ppts. Okay, the stuff for upload in my portal. And also one important note, I can't able to attend your comments because I need to concentrate my studies. Okay, I think now nobody will watching this video. I'm only speaking because of I don't know why I'm putting like this. Okay, yeah, I think I download the ppts. Okay, I have a pilot plan scale up topic and pilot scale up and post approval changes, SUPAC guidelines, and introduction of drug regulatory affairs and drug development teams. I think these are my topics I need to study. Okay, so today session is this one. I think you also need to see my PPTs. I just show you. Okay. I think I will show you now back camera. It's clearly visible for you. I think it's better. I think it's visible. This is my topic, today's topic. So first of all, I need to go study for which one. Introduction of sorry, pilot pilot plan scale up. Okay, because this topic only staff will started in first day. So this is a topic of pilot plant scale up. Okay, this topic is taken at 2027-8. Let me study. Okay guys, you just watch, I need to study. Okay, so general requirements of during pilot plan scale up, reporting responsibility, personal requirements, general consideration of during pilot plan scale up, space requirement, raw materials. First of all, general consideration. This is my first unit. In first unit, pilot plan scale up technique, general considerations. Let we see first what are the topics are there. Reporting responsibility and the personal requirements. What are the personal requirements? And the space requirements, raw materials, and the relevant processing equipments, production rate, and the process evaluation, preparation of a master manufacturing process, and a good manufacturing practice, and the transfer of data. Okay, so first how to remember these. First we just go for main PPTs. Okay, in our main PPT we have personal requirements. In personal requirements, good theoretical knowledge, because of we need a theoretical knowledge, without we can't do anything. Okay, and practical experience, because if a person going for fresherly, it not possible to do all the things. And communication, without a communication we can't nothing to do in industries. Okay, so communication. And I think this PPT is starting with topics. What is a pilot plan scale up? Introduction is I think another PPT. So let me start with this. And personal requirements, if a person have a good theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge, communication skill, number of personnel under training. Okay, so next, the space requirements. Yeah, pilot plans basically require four type of space requirements: administration, documentation, and physical testing area, and the standard pilot plant equipments, floor space, and storage area. Administration, documentation, and physical testing areas, and the floor equipments and storage areas. Okay, and next we go into raw materials. Now raw materials we have approval and validation of API and excipients, and the quality of raw materials, and the QC, quality control, quality assurance, and a review of the formula, uh, contribution of each ingredient. I think it's better to see my notes. Yeah, IP, where I'm starting, outcome and expectation. We suggest only for in medication order. Actually, pilot plan scale up is we are doing a small quantity for large process. Okay. Hospital organizations. Think yeah, I got it, guys. Pilot plan scale up small scale to large scale. Okay. Pilot plan scale is a small. Before doing the large scale, we going for a pilot scale plants. Okay. Why we need this plant? So actually, I'm little bit confusing with this topic. Actually, what is a pilot plant scale up technique means? It is we are going for a large production before we need to go for a small production. That is called pilot plant scale up. Okay, because we need to minimize the errors and money also we need to minimize, because we doing for a large production means we invest lot of money for that, so we reduce the money, so we are going for a pilot plant scale up. Okay, so that is a main need of a pilot plant scale up. Actually we have, this is a pilot plan scale up introduction definition, and in pilot plan scale up means we have what are the requirements are there, uh, personal requirements, already we seen personal requirements, what are the personal requirements are there, and space requirements, what are the, which instruments are actually, wait, yeah, space requirements for administration, documentation, physical testing areas, and standard pilot plant equipments, floor space, and storage area. We need to space for everything for a separate place: administration, documentation, and physical testing areas, and equipments for equipments also, and storage areas, and raw materials, review of formulas and the production rate, and the process evaluations, and the relevant process equipments, and the preparation of master manufacturing process, weighing sheet, process direction, batch records. This is a batch record, SOP, manufacturing process, good manufacturing process. Actually, I'm using I think better to see full screen. Okay, and also we need to practice good manufacturing practice. So in good manufacturing practice means equipment qualification, process validation, and schedule preventing maintenance, and process review, revalidations, and lot of stuff are there, and transferring of analytic method of quality assurance, I think we just need to go for this website. Actually, the session for these are all the forms of this is a website of good manufacturing process. Okay, in this website we have all the forms. What are the good manufacturing process? All documents are there. Okay, so we just enter into any form for finished good trades and raw material tendency and elaborate laboratory investigation and reporting forms. Like that, we have a lot of forms are there. This website is gmpsop.com. Okay, we just enter into, wait, I just for my notes. We just go any one of the form non-compound forms. We have a sample forms are there, not a sample, it's a original form. Okay, of SOP non-component run sheet. And a sample request form. Material description, material code, batch, lab batch number, quality requirements, location, which location we need to collect, and requested by date, commands, lot of stuff are there. Okay, we just minimize, we just go for another PPT. Okay, so next one is we studied pilot plant scale up. Okay, in pilot plant scale up we seen requirements in personal requirements and space requirements and good manufacturing requirements. In good manufacturing requirements we see lot of forms there. Okay, you just go and warehouse information forms and bin sheet, return to bulk store. Okay, so lot of forms are there. Okay, those things are we just seen a pilot plant scale up. Okay, next we going for pilot plant scale up consider of solids. Actually this session for only 6 o'clock around. I think it's half an hour in only, because I will going for my internal MCQ exams at 6:30. So before 6:30 I need to enter into my website, so I need a mobile that time, so I'm just using my mobile. Okay, so let me see this. In this we just see the I'm already said what is a pilot plan scale up. And pilot plan scale up means we need to do small quantity before we going for a large quantity. Okay, so first we need to see what is solid. In solid, need of dosage form, safety, efficacy, stability, and pharmaceutical elegance and conventions. Okay, in quality factors, quality factors are disintegrant of desirable size quickly, and physical qualities factor and seniors quality factors. And the pilot plan scale of, actually I need to refer my notes also. Okay, quality factors, functional qualities and physical qualities. And pilot plan scale of solid dosage form, material handling, dry blending, granulation, drying, reduction of particle size, blending, dry blending, and direct compression, slugging and compression. Solid dosage means tablet. Okay, in a tablet manufacturing process, API feeder, excipient. First we need to study this. Okay, material handling. Okay, material handling is one of the important one, because if any contamination occur means we can nothing to do. So material handling is important one. Dry blending and granulation, and drying and particle size reduction, blending, dry blending, dry compression, and slugging and compression and tablet. Okay, so let me see. This is a process of dry granulation, wet granulation, and direct compression and common process steps. Okay, so I think you can, it's visible for you. Tablet manufacturing process, material handling. Uh, in this we just elaborate these points. In material handling in the laboratory and the large scale operation and preventing cross contamination, I already said if contamination happen means we can nothing to do. So prevention of contamination and deliver the accurate amount of ingredient is one of the most important one. Okay, and handling materials such as vacuum loading system, we need to use a pump and loading and screw feed system for handling materials. Okay, and dispersion, what are the most critical step of pharmaceutical is weighing, because if we weigh wrongly it goes totally wrong. Okay, and in weighing time we facing lot of issues like dust control, and we need to put that time laminar airflow and gloves. Okay, and weigh accuracy is one of the mistake in dispersion, and multiple lot of achieve ingredients in different assays, and cross contamination. If we take one excipient, we that excipient not contaminate with another excipient, so that's also issue in dispersion. Okay, so first we see material handling. In material handling and dispersion, we in material handling we use something instrument material handling for vacuum loading systems, like that. We need to prevent contamination also in this one. And also this dispersion we facing lot of issues also. Okay, and dry blending. Okay, dry blending is a process of binary quotient particle mixing contain two different size, finer and adhesive, and two mixtures called interactive mixtures. Okay, so I just skip this point. I need to recollect all lost. Scale up consideration and improper blendings, and scale up consideration, time of blending and the blending load and size of blending is also important. Proper blending and in granulation is defined as granulation. Everyone know granulation is a small thing one. Okay, it have a good flow property and apparent density of powder, and the particle size also important. Okay, uniform dispersion of active ingredient is one of the important one. Okay, and next direct compression, dry granulation, and wet granulations are there. I think I need to recollect direct, drying, and wet granulation because I have notes of sixth semesters. Sorry, fifth semester notes I have, so I need to recollect those things. I forgot that those things. Okay. Direct compression means nothing but drug diluent glutant disintegrant and mixing filling with the dyes and the compression tablets. In a dry granulation we are going to mixing compression communicant and screening and mixing and filling and going to compression. In wet, in a dry diluent, binder, solvent, lot of stuffs are there. Okay, so I need to recollect those things. I will show you in another one. Okay, scale up consideration in granulation, viscosity of the granulation agent and the mixing speed, screening and drying. Okay, fluidized granulations and fluidized wet granulations, drying, reduction of particle size. Okay, blending of involved in stage of pre-granulation, post-granulation of tablets. I think blending parameters are I studied in a fifth semester, so I just skip these topics. Okay, feeder, blender, granulator, dryer, milling, tablet pressing. I think I have lost one link. I need to watch this. Mode of based on scale up methodology of pharmaceutical granulation. In pharmaceutical industry, the major challenge to maintaining a consistent quality of the drug product, the batch scale processes, the laboratory scale. In the solid dosage form, I learned what is this means. We need to write preparation of solid, what direct compression, sorry sorry direct compression, dry granulation, and wet granulations are the main topic in solid solid pilot plant scale up. Okay, so I just going for too fast because of I have internal exams, I already said. Okay, and next topic is I see the solid, it is going to scale up of post approval changes, scale up for we are going to scale up or approval. Approval changes. Okay, in this component we just see about scale up, index, definition, scientific, rational, and super scale up, post approval changes. Okay, in level of changes and component composition, manufacturing site changes, batch size changes, and manufacturing changes, and process equipments limitation and super. In abbreviation, these are abbreviation most important one. Okay, I'm also need to remember those things. If anybody seeing means just note it down, because these are most important one. Okay, I just forgot my pen, it's somewhere else. I just mark up this. Okay, NDA, new drug application, and ANDA. NDA is I think it's approval for preclinical studies. I think ANDA is already drug available in a market. That drug will bought by some other company. That time they will go for a AND, I think. Yeah, NDA, ANDA, abbreviated new drug application, and AADA. AADA is a generic antibiotic application, and SUPAC, its IR is immediate release solid oral dosage form, and SUPAC MR is a modified release oral dosage form. Okay, and SSS, non-sterile semi-solid dosage form, including cream, gels, lotion. Okay, in solid dosage form we have a lot of stuffs are there. Okay, immediate, modified, and non-sterile semi-solid dosage form like cream, ointment. Okay, IR is a immediate release, MR is a I forgot about a SUBAC. Scale up and post approval changes. Scale up post approval changes of immediate release, and modified release, immediate release and modified release, and SS, non-sterile semi-solid dosage forms. Okay, so we need to mark up this one, because these terms are most important one. Like in plus 2 level we study WHO, like that. So like that, in pharma field, these are most important one. New drug application, AND, abbreviated new drug applications, and SUPAC. I forgot. Yeah, immediate release dosage form, and modified released dosage forms, and sterile semi-solid, and PAS, prior approval supplement. Prior approval supplement, CBE, changes being affected. Changes being affected. Okay, changes being affected. Changes being affected. Okay, okay, and CMC, chemistry and manufacturing control requirements. I think this are I memorized. PSAC is prior approval supplements, and changes being affected, and chemistry manufacturing. Okay, I just recollect NDA, ANDA, and SUPAC. I immediate release, and immediate release and modified release, and SS, sterile, I think sterile creams, sorry, sterile semi-solids, and those things are PAS. I forgot these three things. Let me see. We just go for another one. New drug application, NDA approved by FDA. Okay, and scale up, large batch size, and a generic product. I'm already set. I think FDA is approved. NDA is approved by FDA. We going for large batch size and generic. I'm already said the product available in the market. We need to go for no need to study for a clinical research. We need to go for a bioequivalent. What is a bioequivalent means? If already given marketed drug for a patient, that will chemically analysis by test is called a bioequivalent study. Okay, so bioequivalent studies, after that bioequivalent study go for a ANDA, that is called ANDA. Previously we studied NDA, NDA is preclinical. After we going for NDA applications. Okay, and the ANDA is going for already available marketed product. uh, I need to buy, simply I need to say means already available marketed product like paracetamol means I need to do like that formulation, or I am going for another formulation like paracetamol syrup. Like that means we need to already marketed product level, it will okay or not, that will going for a bioequivalent study. Okay, if you not understand means just type it for now Google. You know what is a bioequivalent study. We just compare the original one and we done one. Okay, and after that we done one, we going for ANDA approved by FDA and a large scale, large batch size. Okay, and what is a SUPAC? Okay, scale up post approval changes. In this process, developing a new drug products, the batch size usual to earliest human studies or small, and the size of batch is recording increase. Scale up, the scale up process, the changes made up of approval in composition, manufacturing, blah blah blah. Actually scale up, SPAC is a process developing a new drug products and earliest and studies are small. We going for small study. Okay, and a scientific rationale to expedient and the process of post approval changes of drug products, and FDA can assure with this safety and efficacy. FDA have issued various guidelines of SPAC changes. I already studied this. Okay, and guidance of industry, purpose of guidance. Okay, SPAC limitations. We are going for I think these topics are I'm not attend in class, so I can't able to understand this one. Classes, classes for IR mirror. IR, what is IR? I forgot that. IR, immediate release. Yeah, SPAC for IR, classification, deletion, and ingredients, and excipient range, and testing documents, and filling documents, level 1, level 2, level 3 and superb for M or immediate release and superb for semi-solids, sterile semi-solids and manufacturing site changes, documentations, manufacturing site changes, documentations, batch size changes, yeah, I got it. In SUPAC guidelines we have 4 levels in SUPAC. In 4 level we have see the first level deletion or particle deletion of ingredients, color, flavor, change in ingredients or ink, change in excipient expressed of say, total formulation less or equal. Okay, class 2, class 3. I will not go in depth this topic because it's totally confusing me. I just need to refer books first because PPT are having few points. Okay, next we are going for I think we seen pilot plan. What is a pilot plan scale up? Pilot plan scale up consideration of solids and super guidelines and FT. I don't want to see because it's going for website. I just going for a pilot plan scale up or orals. I think it's look like a solid, so I don't want to go because I need to refer the pilot plan scale ups in a book. Okay, because I don't have a book in my lab. In next introduction of drug regulatory, and I just go for a drug regulatory. I think I don't have this. Okay, guys, it's time to leave for my internal exam. It will start at I think 6:30. Before I need to enter into my Moodle form. Okay, because in my laptop I have not fast internet. I am having only in my okay. So let me see in I think 7:30 I will complete. After that I will come back. So thank you for watching.